And what we have here is a page from a catalog for Caterpillar. And so if I go to this standard sort of catalog a salesperson would send over or you'd bring out, and I bring my Surface device here, what you'll notice is I have a model now, a 3D model rendered there. And if I turn the page around, I can actually see into this. I can get closer. I can get further away. I can click Take Note here and take advantage of the hardware. And here I'm going to make a note to change the bucket on this loader at some point, and I'm going to save the note. And now you'll notice the change notification just hovers above there. So we're mixing that sort of hardware, software, really cool capabilities.
As you can see, I've got a camera up here, and there is that same experience that Googs was just showing, where we're able to map that thing on there. It's pretty cool. Again, you can zoom in, you can see all the way that this works.
Since it's a 3D model, the next logical thing to do is to run this in HoloLens, right? So I have that same catalog page over here, and you see I'll hold up my Surface, and there's that same same loader. Now, hi, how are you?
Hi, Steve.
Hi.
Hi, Build.
Margot's here to join us, and she's going to help us with the HoloLens version of this now. So what I'd like you to do is, put on the HoloLens, and she's going to look at that same catalog page and see it from the HoloLens view. So go ahead. So she sees the same model. If you'll notice, even the change note is there. But the cool thing is, because she's using HoloLens, she's not tethered then to this piece of paper or the catalog. She can bring this catalog to life. And so why don't you go ahead and bring this, take the loader and go ahead and put it on the stage for us.
Great. Happy to trigger that animation. Great. And what's unique about this mixed reality experience is that prospective Caterpillar customers can view the Caterpillar at true size and scale, leveraging the existing human and environment understanding APIs that are already available in Windows today.
Yeah, so here Margot can walk around the loader. She can see all the different pieces of it, look inside the cab. It's a very cool scenario. The other thing is we made that change notification so she could actually go ahead and modify this loader in sort of the life-size version. So can you go ahead and drive that change?
Absolutely. Caterpillar, change configuration.
Oh, I like that. So when they talk about the magic of software, I think it's all right there. So hardware, software, the cloud, bringing it all together, real-world scenario.